Sex of friends for the nature conservation. Ibrasa, sing it to them. The children are rising to teach the nation. In the deep of the world, the temperature's rising, the oceans are drying. Wait a minute, kefunike, oh chamunobika, and see what this is. The trees that you got are messing the earth, we just can't deny. Webi to say, chirawane masive, mera yansinge focuse. This is a message we got to act, unite as one. We can't solve the equation, Mother Earth just needs our attention. Twende pamoja, we got to stand and rise up together. Sexa, uniting the children to stand and protect the environment. Sexa, uniting the children to stand and make up a difference. Sexa, uniting the children to stand and protect the environment. Sexa, uniting the children to stand and make up a difference. Let us teach the young ones to love their nation. Domestic tourism, the rivers and lakes of Uganda to Lambule. Pack your bags, put on your shoes. It's time for adventure. Domestic tourism, the part of Africa. Baby, that nice sauce and ninja wafe to Lambule. Baby, that nice sauce and ninja wafe yo to be kume. Pack your bags, put on your shoes. Hey, it's time for adventure. Domestic tourism in the part of Africa. Sexa, uniting the children to stand and protect the environment. Sexa, uniting the children to stand and make up a difference. Sexa, uniting the children to stand and protect the environment. Sexa, uniting the children to stand and make up a difference. Climate change is a problem, greening the land we can't contain. We can't save the environment, we can rise for the future. We got a plan for the nation. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Teach the children the dangers we're facing. Yeah. Planting trees for the future. Engaging the young with nature. Climate change is a problem. Greening the land we can contain. Yeah. Yeah. Sex of friends for the nature.